If your gutter hangers keep rusting or falling apart, switching to stainless steel or aluminum hangers can save you a ton of headache. So first off, you want to ditch those old rusty hangers because they're basically a ticking time bomb for your gutters. Stainless steel and aluminum are way better because they don't corrode easily, which means your gutters stay secure for way longer. When you're picking hangers, make sure they fit your gutter size right. No squeezing or forcing, or it won't hold up. Also, use screws instead of nails to attach them, since screws give away stronger grip. Don't forget to space the hangers about every 2 feet to keep the gutters from sagging when it rains hard. If you live somewhere with heavy snow or wind, go for heavy-duty hangers that can handle extra weight. It's smart to check the hangers every year and swap out any that look weak before they cause a bigger problem. And if you're not super handy, calling in a pro for installation can save you from DIY disasters. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutter hangers rusting or failing is using cheap steel hangers that just don't last in wet weather. Switching to stainless steel or aluminum fixes that right away. Another common problem is spacing hangers too far apart, which makes gutters sag and overflow. Keeping them about 2 feet apart stops that mess. A third issue is using nails instead of screws. Nails loosen over time, but screws hold tight and keep gutters in place much better. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you don't waste time or money. Contractors also get hooked up with real jobs nearby, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.